3-Minute Flicks. Entertaining, educating, and enlightening.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to 3-Minute Flicks. Today we're diving into a topic that's been generating a lot of discussion lately: the potential impact of 5G signals on our environment and the creatures that inhabit it. Specifically, we're going to explore whether 5G has any discernible effects on bees, birds, small animals, and insects. So let's get into the nitty-gritty and examine the real evidence behind these claims. But before we jump into the wildlife side of things, let's have a quick refresher on 5G technology. The fifth generation of wireless technology, 5G, is designed to provide faster and more reliable communication between devices, ushering in a new era of connectivity. However, as with any technological advancement, questions and concerns have arisen about its potential impact on both humans and the environment. In recent years, studies have been conducted to investigate the potential health effects of 5G signals on humans. These studies often focus on concerns related to electromagnetic radiation exposure, with mixed findings. Some studies have suggested that exposure to electromagnetic radiation, including that emitted by 5G technology, may have various effects on human health. These effects range from concerns about an increased risk of certain types of cancers to potential impacts on neurological function. On the other hand, it's essential to note that not all studies have found clear and consistent evidence of adverse health effects. Some research indicates that the levels of electromagnetic radiation emitted by 5G networks fall within established safety limits and are not associated with a higher risk of health problems. One of the challenges in interpreting these findings is the difficulty in establishing causation. Many studies are observational, meaning they identify associations between factors without proving direct cause and effect. Additionally, the diversity of study designs, methodologies, and the relatively recent deployment of widespread 5G networks contribute to the complexity of the research landscape. Now, the question arises: can we use the same information to draw conclusions about the impact of 5G on wildlife? The answer is a bit nuanced. While studies on humans provide some insights into potential health effects, it's important to recognize the inherent differences between human and wildlife biology. Humans and animals have unique physiological and behavioral characteristics that can influence how they respond to environmental factors, including electromagnetic radiation. Now, let's hone in on the wildlife side of the equation, starting with bees. Numerous studies have attempted to shed light on whether 5G signals impact these crucial pollinators. For instance, a study in 2022 found that exposure to millimeter wave radiation, similar to 5G frequencies, resulted in changes in honeybee behavior, raising concerns about their foraging and navigation abilities. Moving on to our feathered and furry friends, evidence becomes a bit more elusive. While there have been anecdotal reports of changes in bird behavior around 5G infrastructure, scientific studies haven't consistently supported these claims. It's essential to tread carefully, recognizing the complexities of wildlife behavior and the challenges in attributing changes solely to 5G signals. In the intricate world of insects, which play a vital role in pollination and ecosystem health, the evidence is even scarcer. The few studies available struggle to isolate the impact of 5G signals from the myriad of other environmental factors that affect insect population. We're in dire need of more comprehensive research to unravel this complex web. As with any controversial topic, there's contradictory evidence to consider. While some studies suggest potential harm, others fail to replicate those findings. It's crucial to approach this issue with a nuanced perspective, understanding that wildlife is influenced by a multitude of factors, from climate change to habitat loss. From an industry standpoint, regulatory bodies like the Federal Communications Commission assert that 5G frequencies adhere to established safety guidelines. These organizations emphasize the importance of ongoing research and monitoring to ensure that these technologies don't pose a threat to wildlife or human health. In conclusion, the impact of 5G on bees, birds, small animals, and insects remains a complex and evolving topic. While there are studies indicating potential effects on honeybees, the evidence is far from conclusive, and the impact on other species is still largely uncertain. It's vital to approach these claims with a balanced perspective, recognizing the need for more in-depth and comprehensive research.
3-Minute Flicks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We create new videos weekly.